Did you know that there is a food that is considered a real nutritional treasure? A simple, accessible food that for many decades has been the subject of debate and myths, but which today is widely recognized as one of our health's greatest allies. In this video, we're going to reveal what this food is and show you how it can transform your diet and your life. But before that, I want you to think about one essential point. Nowadays, the rush of everyday life pushes us towards quick and easy solutions when it comes to food. Ready meals, fast food, and ultra-processed foods are increasingly present on family tables. They promise convenience, but deliver risks: high levels of saturated fats, empty calories, preservatives, and a list of ingredients that we often can't even pronounce. These habits, which are so common, have a direct impact on our health. Weight gain, tiredness, cardiovascular problems, and, of course, the feeling that we lack the energy to face everyday life. Perhaps you've already felt this way: tired, lacking in energy for activities that used to be simple. Or maybe you've noticed that it's harder to keep up with your health with the food options available. And it doesn't matter how old you are, 35, 45, 55, or more, taking care of what you put on your plate is essential at every stage of life. And this is exactly where the protagonist of this video comes in. An incredible food capable of providing essential nutrients, helping to control weight, improving brain, muscle, and skin health, and being incredibly versatile. But by the end of this video, I want you to understand the true potential of this food and why it should be in your diet every day. So stick with me until the end of this video. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive into scientific facts, detailed explanations, and practical tips that could change the way you view and consume this food. Believe me, you won't want to miss this valuable information. Shall we go together? Now that you understand the importance of choosing well what we put on our plates, I want you to imagine a food that is almost perfect from a nutritional point of view. It is a complete source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids that the human body needs to build and repair tissue. It is also rich in fundamental vitamins, such as vitamin B12, which is crucial for the nervous system, and vitamin D, which is essential for healthy bones and the immune system. But it doesn't stop there. This food is also a powerful ally in the search for more energy and disposition. Thanks to its unique combination of nutrients, it helps keep the mind sharp, reduces the risk of cardiovascular problems, and contributes to weight control as it promotes satiety, preventing overeating at subsequent meals. And best of all, it's extremely affordable, both in terms of price and availability. You can find it anywhere, and its versatility allows it to be used in a multitude of recipes, from the simplest to the most elaborate. With it, you can create healthy and delicious meals in a matter of minutes. So if you want to improve your health, have more energy, and take care of your body from the inside out, keep watching. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal what this food is and how it can be the key to a healthier, more balanced life. The history of the egg goes back thousands of years. Its relationship with humanity is so old that there are records of its consumption from the dawn of civilization. Ancient peoples, such as the Egyptians and Chinese, already used eggs in their diets, both for their abundance and for their nutritional properties. The hen's egg, in particular, has become the most popular and widely consumed in almost every culture around the world. With the advance of science, we are beginning to understand the true nutritional value of the egg, making it an indispensable staple for human health. The egg is a complete superfood, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. High-quality protein contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are fundamental for muscle regeneration, skin maintenance, and general health. Vitamin B12, crucial for the proper functioning of the nervous system and the formation of red blood cells. Vitamin D, essential for calcium absorption and bone strengthening. Choline, present in the yolk, it is essential for brain health and cognitive development. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells against damage caused by free radicals. Iron, important for preventing anemia and increasing blood oxygenation. Zinc, helps strengthen the immune system. Here are the main benefits of eggs, explained in detail. Helps control weight. Eggs are rich in proteins that promote a feeling of satiety, helping to reduce appetite and prevent overeating at other meals. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to manage or lose weight. Brain health and memory. The choline in eggs is essential for brain function. It contributes to the formation of neurotransmitters responsible for memory and learning, as well as protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Bone strengthening. The combination of vitamin D and protein in eggs helps to strengthen bones and prevent conditions such as osteoporosis, especially in people over 35. Improved eye health contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect against macular degeneration and cataracts, conditions that affect many people as they get older. Long-lasting energy. As a food with a low glycemic index, eggs provide sustained energy without causing blood sugar spikes, which prevents sudden tiredness. Healthier heart. Eggs contain healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids, which help balance cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Muscle building. Ideal for those who engage in physical activity, eggs provide high-quality proteins that aid muscle recovery and growth. With all these benefits, it's clear to see why eggs are an indispensable food for those seeking health and quality of life. But how can we include this superfood in our daily lives in a practical and tasty way? In the following topics, we'll explore the best ways to consume it and the myths you need to leave behind. Stay with me. Before we continue with this content, which is so important for your health, I'd like to extend a special invitation to you. If you're enjoying the information so far, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any videos. Here, we bring you complete content, always based on science, to help you achieve a healthier life. Also, leave your comment below. Tell us what you think of this video or share your doubts and experiences. Your interaction is essential for us to continue creating relevant content. And there's more. After finishing this video, you need to check out our playlist dedicated to magical foods for health. In it, you'll find surprising tips on other incredible foods that can transform your quality of life. So, at the end of this video, explore this playlist and discover new ways to improve your diet and your health in a simple and efficient way. How to use eggs in your daily diet. For breakfast, start the day with energy by including eggs in your breakfast. They can be prepared in various ways: scrambled, boiled, poached, or as an omelet. Because they are rich in protein, they help prolong satiety, preventing hunger spikes and reducing calorie intake throughout the day. Healthy snacks. A boiled egg is a practical and nutritious option for a quick snack. It's easy to transport and offers a dose of protein and nutrients without resorting to processed foods. Lunch or dinner. Add eggs to salads, alongside vegetables or as part of recipes such as quiches and pies. They complement any meal with a balanced nutritional profile. Creative recipes. Replace less healthy ingredients with eggs in recipes. For example, use egg whites to make protein pancakes or prepare stuffed eggs as appetizers on special occasions. Results you can expect from consuming eggs regularly. Improved muscle health. With complete proteins and high bioavailability, eggs help muscle recovery and maintain strength, making them ideal for people who practice physical activity or are looking to prevent the muscle loss associated with aging. Strengthens the immune system. Vitamins such as B12, D, and selenium present in eggs strengthen the immune system, helping to protect the body against infections and diseases. Weight control. Studies show that people who eat eggs for breakfast tend to feel less hungry throughout the day, making it easier to control their weight and reducing the consumption of unnecessary calories. Cardiovascular health. Despite the old myth that eggs increase cholesterol, recent research shows that moderate consumption is associated with an improved lipid profile, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Healthier brain. Rich in choline, eggs are essential for brain health, contributing to memory, learning, and cognitive function, especially in people over 35. Why make eggs an ally in your diet? Eggs are not just a healthy food. They are a powerful tool for improving your quality of life. Incorporating eggs into your diet is simple, affordable, and extremely effective. Consume 1 to 2 eggs a day as part of a balanced diet to start noticing the benefits for your body and mind. How about giving it a try? Try different ways of preparing them and see how easy it is to transform your health with something so simple. And remember, by consuming this powerful food frequently, you are investing in your longevity and well-being. Imagine now what your life would be like with more energy, health, and disposition. Think of waking up every morning feeling lighter, with mental clarity, and without that tired feeling that so often gets in the way of your day. Visualize yourself including eggs in your meals and seeing the results: a more balanced weight, stronger hair and nails, a sharp memory, and a general feeling of well-being that transforms every aspect of your daily life. This simple food can, in fact, be the turning point in your journey to health and quality of life. By adopting it, you are not only changing your diet, but investing in your future, in the well-being you will feel over the years. If you've made it this far, it means you're committed to transforming your health, and I want to congratulate you on that. But this is just the beginning. On this channel, I share countless videos about foods that have surprising power to dramatically improve your health and quality of life. To make your journey easier, I've created a special playlist full of content that explores magical foods, practical strategies, and valuable tips for those looking to live longer and better. Once you've finished this video, click on the playlist and discover how small adjustments to your diet can generate big results. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your comment below. I want to know, what is your biggest question or curiosity about eggs or other healthy foods? I'm here to help you build an eating routine that really makes a difference. Your health deserves attention, and together we can achieve incredible results. See you in the next video.